Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to change your date of birth in your Gmail or Google account, then this video would be very helpful for you. Because in this video I will show you how you can easily change your date of birth in your Gmail account or your Google account very easily. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So guys, whether you are using an Android device or any Apple device, the process is quite similar. So first of all, you have to click on your Play Store or your App Store and here search for Gmail. And you have to make sure that your Gmail application is up to date. As my Gmail application is up to date, so I have to click on Open. And after that, you have to click on your profile icon. And after that, click on Manage your Google account. And then click on Personal Info. And here you can see date of birth appears. So if I want to change my date of birth, I will just click on birthday. And here I have to select the date whatever I want and select the month and select the year. And here you can choose whether you want to make it private or you can show this date of birth to everyone. I will suggest you only make this only for you. And after that you have to click on save. And it will ask you for confirmation. So click on confirm. And click on back arrow. And you can see my date of birth on this Gmail account has been changed successfully. So guys, in this way you can change your date of birth in your Gmail account very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.